Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our video. That is if the others should show up.
Hey, what's up?
Sup?
What's up, Matt?
Where have you been? I've been waiting here all day. The video's recording this break, my god!
Dude, we were just at 7-Eleven. You should have came with us.
Yeah.
Then we could record after, bro.
Could've.
Okay, that was my fault. But where are you guys' costume? This is supposed to be Halloween themed.
We never got a text saying we're supposed to wear costumes. You probably didn't send it.
Oh, come on, really? You know, we're just going on with it. Guys, we're here to talk about the parts of the cell and what they would be if my house was a cell. Let's do this!
To learn about the cell, you need to know what is in the cell. So we will talk about the parts of a cell and explain what they really are and what they do.
Also, after we talk about all the parts of this cell, we will compare something to Matt's house and why.
Anyways, let's get started. Take it away, Luke.
First on the agenda is the vacuole. What the vacuole is the part of the cell that stores food, water, and other materials. The vacuole can also store waste materials needed by the cell.
Hey, that sounds like a refrigerator. They both can store food, water, and other materials. The refrigerators also have the ability to store waste products like mold and cheese. Now enjoy the rest of this clip that I modeled.
Alright, Jack, tell us about the vesicles.
Okay, have you ever looked at a diagram of cell? Have you ever seen little small bubbles? That's a vesicle. The vesicle is the basic tool used by a organizing cellular substance. If you looked at Matt's house, I think that you can agree that it would be Matt's dad. He always trying to organize Matt and his siblings, telling us to clean up their rooms and getting ready for school. Matt's dad, I think, keeps the family organized.
It's true.
Take the next one from me, alright?
You got it. Okay, the next thing on the list is the cell wall. The cell wall is the rigid layer that surrounds the cell of plants and some other organisms. Now we can all agree that the cell wall would be the wall of my house. It surrounds the house like a cell wall does. Anyways, Luke, you can take the wheel of cell over to the cell membrane. Oh god, that was bad. I'm
So bad.
sorry.
Jack is having the she's just spazzing out.
Who cares?
Okay, then the cell membrane is the part of the cell that controls which substances pass in and out of the cell. It seems like it would be the door because it can determine which substances can go in and out of the house. Let Matt demonstrate.
Yes, it's Friday. Go and play video games so I not get knocked out. Wait, stop. Door, let me in. Let me in. Door! It's so cold.
Oh, hey Matt, how you doing?
Hey, how you doing? Whoa! How'd you open the door?
You do know you're supposed to pull it, right?
I knew. I was just testing your abilities.
Yeah, right.
Who wants Hot Pockets?
Alright, let's eat it till you're fat and
die!
That the door let me and Jack in, but we won't let Matt in. Now back to you, Jack, with the nucleus.
Okay, so the nucleus acts as the cell control. It is in charge of everything. This would be Matt's kitchen. It is the hub of the house and everything what people do with their work, besides Matt, who does in his room. I know it seems short because of Brian, our budget dealer. We couldn't afford the scientists we have in our torture chamber. lab. to get more info about the boss of the cell. So we fired him. Now let Matt guide you with knowledge while he talks about the nuclear membrane.
Thanks, Jack. Anyways, the nuclear my bad. The nuclear membrane, like the cell membrane, controls what goes in and out of the nucleus. In my wonderful house of awesomeness, the nuclear membrane is the kitchen. Is the kitchen. There's the rooms around the kitchen. My bad. If a robber wants to get in the house, the last room he would visit is the kitchen, the nucleus, because it is guarded by lots of rooms. Well, only 3, because you can't. But you get my point. Anyways, Luke, get over here and do the mitochondria.
Okay, yeesh. Looks like someone allergic to too much bacon dogs.
I only had 6. Oh, God.
Oh, so you're the one who ate mine. Get over here, you little... Okay, now that I am back from the low talk I had with Matt, let's talk about the mitochondria. What this part of the cell does is that it converts energy stored in food to energy the cell can use to live and function. If this was a part of Matt's house, it would be the kitchen. Man, the kitchen is getting lots of love in this video, huh? Well, who cares? It would be this because they both convert food into things we, or the cell, can eat. Now, will Jack be able to take us to the chloroplast? Let's find out.
Luke, I got this. Chloroplast is a plant-only organelle. Otherwise, it's put easily. Animals have none. Anyways, the chloroplast captures energy from sunlight and changes it to form of energy cells can use for making food. This would be stove because like chloroplast, the oven gathers energy from gas and cooks the food and places it in it. Here, Lima Sons, please. Oh, geez, that looks so bad. How can I take this one so cheesy?
Jack, be quiet and go sit in the corner! You stay over there, bully. So lysosomes are animal only, so no plants. They're the things in the cell that contain substances that break down large food particles into smaller ones. This, in my house, would be the kids! Ha! I bet that surprised you. The kids would be it because they consume the food and break it down in their stomachs. Now, Luke, finish your part and do the ribosomes. I don't care if I pronounced it wrong.
Okay, the ribosomes are small grain-shaped organelles that produce proteins. In Matt's awesome house, this would be, for the very last time, the kitchen. It produces the food, or proteins, for the other organelles to get energy from. Jack, finish out your duty by doing the endoplasmic reticulum. Ha, I said duty.
Yeah! Alright, for the sake of time, I'll be using the word ER instead of endoplasmic reticulum. This organelle, with a network of membranes, produces many substances. The ER would be the fridge or pantry because they both produce many substances. Done with mine. Matt, time to finish your report.
Okay, I'll be doing the last 2 because my pals off camera have worked their butt off. So, let's do this. The first one out of the 2 is the Golgi apparatus. This organelle receives proteins from other newly formed materials from the ER, packages them, and distributes them to other parts of the cell or outside the cell. This would be my mom and dad, because they both cook food for us or receives them from the ingredients from the fridge or pantry, packages them by putting them on a plate, and sends them to other organelles or us. The very last item is the cytoplasm. This last organelle fills the region between the cell membrane to the nucleus. The fluid of the cytoplasm moves constantly within a cell, carrying along the nucleus and the other organelles that have specific jobs. Ugh. In my house, that would be the rooms. They fill up the space and help things carry out their jobs just like the cytoplasm. I guess this is the end of the video. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Now let these guys sign us out. They ditch me? Nope. Don't even care. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. If check out my YouTube channels, you gotta promote my YouTube channels. Also Pika77 and PikaZap. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. For whoever Miss McGinnis has planned for us. Credits roll, please. End the video! End the video! Don't press stop!